7 years of Assassin's Creed games have turned me into the sort of fan I never wanted to become, a withered old grump who wishes things were the way they used to be. Nobody likes that guy, especially not the millions of people who became Assassin's Creed fans through the immaculate worlds of Origins, Odyssey, and Valhalla. I have gotten used to the idea that modern Assassin's Creed is about stepping into the shoes of historical warrior archetypes, like a playable episode of Deadliest Warrior, and not, well, being an assassin, but Assassin's Creed Shadows, the next mainline game set in feudal Japan, seemingly wants to do both. Ubisoft is splitting Assassin's Creed's two disciplines into two protagonists, Naoe and Agile shinobi armed with a hidden blade, and Yasuke, the historical black samurai who faces his enemies head-on. In an interview with IGN, Ubisoft said most missions can be tackled as either characters. Some are character specific, leaving it up to the player to decide if they want to approach Shadows like an Odyssey-style action RPG or a traditional stealth game. I'm resisting the urge to call bull on Ubi's suggestion that stealth and open combat will have an equal focus after how untrue that proved to be in Odyssey and Valhalla. Ubi has made a habit of assuring ACS oldest fan that you can still play the new games like the old ones, just to disappoint in the follow-through, but there is reason to believe Ubi is turning a new leaf. Assassin's Creed Mirage made good on its promise as a stabby game first, which was personally encouraging, and Ubi also shared some specific details about stealth in Shadows that have me leaning in. If I only judge by what aspects of Shadows Ubisoft chose to focus on for its grand reveal, stealth even sounds like the star of the shadow. The studio talked about how passing seasons will affect guard patrols and snaking options. As the months go by, the approaching winter kills off these natural hiding spots, hanging icicles threaten to snap and fall, revealing your rooftop position. Ian wrote, but at the same time, the worsening weather limits the view of enemies holding wires obscure your footsteps. Guard patrols stick to areas of warmth, allowing you to take new, colder paths. Less was said about Yosuke's combat forward playstyle. He will be able to cut through just about anything in the world that's not nailed down neat, and he can parry counter attack enemies for quick kills. Enemy armor can be worn down and broken by repeated strikes. I don't have high hopes for Shadows swordplay if it's gonna feel anything like Valhalla's or Odyssey button mashy brawls, especially after enjoying two playthroughs of the game that beat Ubi to the punch of Assassin's Creed in Japan, Ghost of Tsushima. So if you enjoyed this video and if you find this video helpful, so make sure to like and subscribe to my channel.